building started to be built in 1076, finished in 1078. 17 years ago, took over by a local gentleman who refurbished it and started running it as a hotel, and since then being run as a hotel. I've been running it since December 2012, basically turning the business around. Every single public area has been refurbished, every single bedroom outside the building has been done as well, and obviously the new boiler system. We closed the doors just before Christmas 2013. We kept it closed until the end of February to be able to complete all the works. The process is very easy. We were not really involved in it, and I knew that the installation team was here. They were doing everything that had to be done. Obviously, we were kept informed of what are the stages. They were professional. They knew what they're talking about. Really nice people. Boiler system much more effective than the previous one. When we started for the first time, it took about 15 to 20 minutes to warm the building up. With the old one, was taking good 24 to 48 hours. So efficiency-wise, much better than the previous one. I would say minimum so far about 30% saving compared to the old boiler system. It's much easier in a way that I just get a notification when actually we need some biomass fuel to be delivered, which is basically organized straight away. I mean, I just know that something is happening. I'll be expecting a delivery in the next few days or so. So that's fairly good enough for me. Yeah, can't fault it at all.